Hey YouTube, it's Jenna Rosenstein, Senior Beauty Editor for Harper'sBazaar.com here, and I'm interrupting this video very quickly to let you know that we have a special event coming up the week of November 12th. We're hosting Beauty Week here on YouTube, so it'll be 5 days of beauty videos and surprises I promise you won't want to miss, so don't forget to subscribe, set a calendar alert, set notification, anything you need to do to remember that Beauty Week is coming. Alright, now let's get back to what you came here for.
I'm Jenna Rosenstein, and this is The Beauty Show. And on today's episode of Beauty Stash, we're going inside the home of Vincent Oquendo. Hi! Oh my gosh, hello! You might know him as Makeup Vincent on Instagram, or maybe you know his work with models like Elsa Hosk, Bella Hadid, or even Hailey Baldwin. He works on some of our favorite It Girls, and I'm so excited to see how he stores all of his makeup and skincare products. Let's go!
Welcome.
Thanks.
This is my little oasis.
Should we have a seat?
Yeah.
Okay. Hi.
Hi.
Oh my god, I feel like you've been traveling so much and
Always.
You're so busy. So tell me what is new with you.
So I just got the contract with Shiseido.
Oh my god, congratulations!
Thanks, they're doing like a big rebrand relaunch and like it's so exciting to be a part of it.
Well, so tell me about this space. It's beautiful.
Thank you, and it's all about like texture in here. So like have my onyx table and all, you know, it's just all like, just like my makeup.
The walls are gray, you're wearing gray. Do you love the color gray?
I do. Okay. I love vibrant color, but I love how color pops against gray, you know?
Like this painting.
Like this painting. I love flowers. You can tell. Like, look, this place is like a funeral home. Like,
In the best way possible.
Flowers everywhere. Flowers on my knuckles, flowers on the table, flowers on the wall, flowers on the console. I just love that. I love art and I love texture, and that's just some of my favorite things.
Well, you created a home that's perfect for it.
Thanks.
Well, so I want to see your beauty stash. That's why we're here, of course. Do you want to start with makeup or skincare?
I think let's start with skincare. I'm a
Okay.
skincare junkie.
Oh, you are? Where do you keep it all?
Right over here.
Oh, that's good. So this is where you keep your skincare?
This is all my skincare stuff.
Ooh, so organized.
Thanks.
Are these all of your personal favorite products?
Yeah,
Or, okay.
I use these on myself and then I recommend them to clients because it's like a 360 experience. You know, beauty is like what you do at home and then what I do, you know, BTS,
Right.
you know?
All right, let's go.
Let's go. So this is some of my favorite things.
Okay.
So I guess we'll start like a white smile is like super important to me.
Super Smile. This is like fancy toothpaste.
So we have the mouthwash to start off with, and then you put a drop of each of these, and I just brush every morning with my little mechanical toothbrush, and it's like fabulous.
Well, that's why your teeth are so white. Yeah.
And then I use my Shiseido shaving cream.
Ooh.
I use that with my Art of Shaving razor.
This is probably like so thick and like moisturizing
Oh
too.
my god, yeah, the Shiseido is like amazing. It's like a really good barrier. I never get my little razor burns or cuts on my face. And also like I find I break out really easily, and especially like being a man of color, like I get a lot of razor burn, and that was something that even when I was a teenager was a big deal. And so good skin is like really important to me. It's like my brand. So I love this product because it like doesn't give me razor burn.
Amazing.
Ta-da. And SPF.
Ooh, what's this?
This is the Shiseido SPF.
Oh yeah, SPF 42.
Urban Environment. It's like really good under makeup, but it also like doesn't clog my pores. Then the MC1.
The blood cream.
The blood cream.
Okay, so where did you get your blood drawn for this? I was in a hotel room in Paris.
Me too.
Stop! Oh my god! And I was just like, I went to her hotel room and she just like hooked me up and like took my blood, and then like 2 weeks later this showed up. So they basically like take your blood and then they like spin it, take the, like the good stuff out of it, put it in a cream.
The platelets.
Yeah,
the white blood cells.
Yeah.
So it tricks your skin into thinking that it has to heal a wound, so it creates new cells.
It's amazing.
It's like new skin, essentially, which is insane.
All right, so after the blood cream, what is this? Looks like headphones.
This, so my facialist, Georgia Louise, sent this to me. This is her Glow Pulse. So you put a sheet mask on first, which is really important because when I first got it, I was like, guys, I got this. Like, it's all good. And I put it on and I was like, my boyfriend was sitting here and I'm like, look, I'm gonna try it on. And I turned it on and it literally like shocked, like it's like, it's pulse.
Oh
it's
my god.
Yeah, so
you
it's like
yourself.
surprised me because I thought I was being cute and like, yeah, no. So you got to put the sheet mask on first, and then you put this on, And it's like it's all like electromagnetic pulses, so it penetrates all the vitamins from the mask, penetrates even deeper.
Cool.
I'm all about tools. I'm such a geek. This is a rare oil. I love oils. So your body naturally produces oil. So literally, this is a face oil, but you can use it on hair. You can use it on cuticles. I literally, it smells so good. I literally love oil so much. I put it on everything. I literally douse myself in oil. I like to put this on because sometimes I'll use like stronger pigments and I'll put this all over the skin, even on the lips, and it just gives me a nice little barrier, a nice little cushion so it doesn't stain my clients.
But this doesn't make people's face look greasy?
No.
Really?
No. And then also what I'll do is I'll use a powder puff and I will take a loose powder and I just kind of bake them a little bit. If it's like a long red carpet time, that's what I'll sort of do. Yeah.
And then I see some ampules here.
I love ampules. I feel like it's like a science project. These are from Royal
You're
Fern.
so nerdy, I love it.
I love it. I'm like, yay. So I just like, you just pop it open. Pop.
Royal Fern.
Ta-da.
Oh.
And
You did that so cleanly. I was just telling him that I like sliced my finger off one day opening one of these glass things.
Proceed with caution.
Yeah.
But you just kind of tap it out and then.
Is it like a serum?
Yeah, it's a serum. So I just press
You
it.
do that like an expert. You do that like it's your job or something.
I love it.
Ooh, I want some.
I love it. I always put it on my hands too.
So I feel like I've seen so many beauty products, but I've never seen anything like this before. Oxygen Extreme, what are these products?
Yeah, I mean, so I put these in my water in the morning before
Okay.
I go work out and I go boxing on my roof, and I love it. I put 1 drop of each.
So they're like a vitamin supplement.
Yeah,
Okay.
well, they sort of make your skin glow. It gives you hydration. It helps with muscle recovery. So the antioxidants. This is really great for skin, and also it tastes really good because it has berries in it.
And it's Dr. Brand, so you know it's good for your skin.
Oh, absolutely. And then the oxygen helps with muscle recovery. Oxygen is, like, as humans, we need oxygen. It's in the air, it's in the water. It's like we need it to grow and thrive. And so, and it helps the skin look like fresh.
So 2 drops of this, then you go boxing. You're all about the self-care.
Yep.
Yeah. So where do you box usually?
On my roof. Do you want to go check it out?
Oh my God, yes. You have
Let's
a
go.
rooftop?
Yeah.
Let's go.
Welcome to the rooftop.
This is gorgeous.
Have
My
a little
God.
seat.
You can see the river.
Ugh.
I would box here. You can get me to work out here.
It gets hot in the summertime. It gets pretty hot up here, which is great. You burn more calories.
That's
you
true.
know? Why not? And I gotta say, like, it's nice to have like a little bit of outdoor space in New York. Like, I oftentimes will bring my clients up here, and we'll like do a couple of pictures up here. You might
Good
see on the
lighting.
gram. Yeah,
Right,
you'll
yeah.
see a couple of like city shots, and whenever you see that, it's where I'm here.
It's on the rooftop.
Yeah.
Very cool. Well, your space was beautiful and organized, but you really like just had skincare. And so where's all of your makeup, Mr. Makeup Artist? Like, come on.
So my thing is that I need to keep my home space, and my private space. So my makeup closet is right over there at Manhattan
Where?
Mini Storage.
Oh my God, you have an entire storage unit?
It's ridiculous. Brace yourself.
Stop.
Brace yourself. It's amazing. So do you want to go see it?
Yeah, it's just right over there?
Yeah.
All right.
Let's go.
Let's go. I'm so excited to see this.
Go hard or go home,
Oh
right?
God, okay, let's see.
Do you want to open it up?
Should I do the honors? Oh my God. You kidding me? It's like you have a Sephora.
Come in. Check it out. Ugh. Lash. 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 So all of my favorite things are in here. I pretty much made it so that anybody, whether you knew makeup or not, could find anything in here. We wanted to make it so that we could send assistants and they can replenish the kit and get whatever we needed without us having to actually be here. You have the actual product and then the texture and then the color. So everything is super, super efficient and broken down very well. We get so much products, like I would never see it. I would never try this stuff. So for me, it's like, I love doing this because then I can like try new products.
Right.
Because there's like still like I would say 50% of this stuff I haven't tried.
Wow, but you
So,
can
like,
see it, so you know you have it.
Oh yeah. Like this. I just looked at this Dr. Brandt mask and I'm like, ooh, it's a magnet. I'm gonna try it.
You have truly the chicest storage unit I think ever. Also, it smells amazing in here.
Thank
I wish you guys could smell
That's my
it.
Nest candles.
Oh, it's like, oh my god.
I'm obsessed.
Like, you guys have never been in a storage unit that smells this good or looks this cute. Like, who has like fairy lights in their storage unit? You do.
My assistant spends so much time in here
Yeah.
because we're always getting things ready. We're always getting carpets ready. We have so many different kits. There's so much. It's like such a well-oiled machine that we want to make this space comfortable.
I love it. So let's start over here, this beautiful little corner. You have this entire drawer of Lumify. You don't have enough eyes for all these eye drops. You only have 2 of them, you know.
I'm just, and also I'm super sanitary. I'm like a nut. So when I use it on someone, I'm like, here, just take it. Like,
You know, I've never used, I mean, I have contact, but I've never used like an actual like beautifying eye drop.
so this is an anti-redness eye drop. It helps relieve any sort of redness in the eye. And so for me, I love it because it's part of my prep. So you prep, prime the skin, and then you put your Lumify in your eyes and it just brightens you up.
Amazing. Red carpet secrets, you know? Okay, so foundation. Walk me through some of your favorites.
Oh gosh, okay. So we have every kind of foundation, texture, and formula
that.
available to
Matte,
men.
sheer, satin, waterproof.
Tinted moisturizers, BB creams, it's by brand, it's by label. So I gotta say, by far, this is kind of my favorite draw right
Okay.
here. Because I love some like sheer yummy skin. We have our Charlotte, we have our Flawless Filter, so we
Hollywood.
have a little, so nice.
So you're not so crazy about like the super matte powdery.
I have it
Okay.
in case of
You need it.
she-emergency.
Okay.
In case of she-emergency,
But
I have it.
you would choose this any day over.
Absolutely.
Okay.
So, like, let's say if I'm doing like a performer that's on stage and it's in the summertime and she's doing like an outside concert, for instance, then I might use like the waterproof stuff. Then I might go to this like Dior like Air Flash because like this stuff does not move.
Oh yeah.
So good. It
Yeah.
like literally doesn't move. Or if like
It's
for
like spray
legs,
paint, yeah.
literally like spray paint.
Yeah.
It does not move. It's amazing. So that's one of my favorites.
Cool.
Becca is amazing. They're so good.
Yeah. And then concealer and powder over here.
Concealer and powder. So I have EX1 over here. I love this brand.
I feel like it's a brand not everybody knows about. You know? It's like still kind of like
it's a drugstore
new.
brand.
Yeah.
It comes from London.
Okay.
And Farah, who I love, she is of Middle Eastern descent, and she was tired of going and not finding her color. So she created a golden pigment, which
Yeah, you are golden.
hello.
Right.
and who doesn't want to look golden?
Yeah, everybody
Like
does. Yeah.
everyone wants to look golden.
Right.
So the foundation is amazing and it's like really inexpensive and you can find it at Boots and now you can get it here in the US.
Amazing.
And they sent it to me and I just the really great thing that I love is yes, they do send me a lot of makeup, but I don't know the price points of things. So like I really look at it objectively.
Right.
And it's such a juxtaposition from when I started because like I had no money. I was taking my college friends, like when they didn't want their makeup anymore, they would donate it to me.
Oh my god! And you used to buy stuff for your kit, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like I would go to drugstores and I would raid drugstores. So it kind of like, it warms my heart when I find a drugstore brand that I really, really love. Can we go and check out some lips?
Oh my god! Please, always.
Amazing.
Look at this giant tower of lipsticks. Oh my god!
Look
so
at all this
organized.
yummy
By color.
liquid lips.
Wow. You know what I love is that you have such great brand diversity. Like you have so many brands. It's not like you're married to like one or two. You know what I
Not
mean?
at all.
Yeah.
Yeah, absolutely. So this was the one that I wanted to tell you about. This is Joa. They're another
Joa.
drugstore brand that I found out about. They're owned by Kiss Cosmetics and it's based on K-Beauty. That's their inspiration.
Yeah.
Look at this yummy
This is why I love you, because look, you got CoverGirl next to Marc Jacobs, next to Lancome, the new
Clear.
Shiseido Clear.
Oh, you can use it everywhere. You can use it on skin, you can use it on eyes, on lips. It's like
A
beyond.
multi-purpose product.
So good.
You got, I mean, you really have everything.
Yeah, and this is just this straw. Like, I burned through
Do you ever use
really
these
good
colors,
stuff.
like colors like this?
Yeah.
Crazy? You do?
Sometimes. So do you remember Hailey Baldwin for the Brit Awards?
Yeah.
The navy blue lip
Yeah, yeah.
that I did on her?
Yeah.
Yeah, girl.
It was CoverGirl?
It was not CoverGirl. It was not CoverGirl, but that was one of the
A
times where I
similar
used
color.
that kind of color. Yeah.
So true.
It's like, it's rare, but like, that's the thing. Like, it's like a sometimes treat. Like, I have it just in case I need it.
Okay, well there you
That's
go.
the thing, like-
And you needed it.
I needed it.
Yeah.
It was amazing.
I feel like we need to talk about highlighter. Oh, look at this drawer of highlighter. This is just cream highlighters,
This
too.
is just cream highlighters. We have our contours, we have our highlights. This is like yummy. I feel like this is like I want to dive in and live over here. So Flesh is my absolute favorite. So we have that. So, you know, you can go a little nuts. And then we have our Shiseido. We have our Dews.
Those are like
Dews.
little like pots of cream highlighter.
Oh, yeah. Yeah.
Your mix of brands to me is so impressive. We have
Thanks.
just so many drugstore mixed with luxury. It doesn't matter.
Yeah, you gotta have, you know, you gotta have your highs and your lows. It's not all at Bergdorf Goodman, you
Yeah.
know? Like, we love Bergdorf Goodman, but
Look at that color. How would you apply that with your finger?
I love to apply things like that with my finger.
Okay.
I pack it on with my finger, or you could use a fluffy brush if you're blending.
Okay. All right. So mascara.
We have CoverGirl, we have Maybelline, we have full fat lashes. I love. I'm always sort of trying new things. I love the Serge Lutens. That's the eye kohl liner, but so we have liquid liner in here too.
Oh, okay.
And then we have the Shiseido mascara ink.
This is the new one, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh,
it's really cool.
So good.
Yeah, I like it for
So
bottom
good.
lashes.
There's another one. Oh, Mark Beauty. Oh my god, I love that one.
Yeah, so this is one that a lot of makeup artists use.
I'm obsessed with that. And they have a tiny one too. That's really, really good.
It's like so thickening because you like a lash.
I love a lash.
Okay, so this is new.
This
and
is-
I just put it in an article saying it's like one of the best mascaras because it's incredible.
I love the Hourglass Caution Mascara. They make some of my favorite products, favorite highlighters. And this mascara, have you tried it?
Yes, it's so good.
Like, what the F? It's amazing.
Yeah.
I'm like obsessed with it.
Well, you were saying that you never show anyone this space, or you haven't shown
This is
anyone.
the first time I've ever opened up my space, my home and my like beauty closet.
Well,
so
we are so honored that you did it for us. Thank you so much.
it feels like a first date. Are we
It does.
dating?
We are
Is this like
dating now.
official?
It's official now.
All right, bye guys.
Thank you so much.
We're gonna go finish our date. Bye.